Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Manu Khan from Good Producer Zone, and today I'm going to show you how to embed Google Maps in your HTML page. It's pretty easy. You'll see in 3 seconds. So let's start, shall we? This is already embedded Google Map HTML page. Let me just go and save it and show you the video. So here we go. Here you can see the Google Map. Let me just go and undo it. So let me just create a new HTML page. Uh, Google HTML.html. Basic HTML tag. And the body tag. Now we have to go to Google Map website, which is www.googlemap.com. Click the first link. Search the place I want to embed into my HTML page, which is let's say Pizza Hut. Here we go. Click this menu button uh, here and search for the option share or embed map. You don't need this link. What you need is to search for an option which is embed a map. Click here. You can also change the sizes like large, medium, or size. Say I want to embed a small size. Copy this code from copy HTML here and paste it here. After seeing it, let's say here, we will run it. Here we go. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and give thumbs